Hey folks, yet another day with spotty showers around the valley. Nothing really widespread, but enough to get the car dirty again, the one you just washed. You can see there's not a whole lot left on radar. This starts early in the afternoon, comes up to current, and things beginning to kind of quiet down. We've still got a little shower right along 69C just north of Edinburgh, but that is about it. We can still see stuff overnight like the last couple of nights. Spotty showers roll through during the overnight hours, but the bigger stuff waits for the daytime. Again, like yesterday, look at the satellite, you just don't see much, even though there's rain out there. You know, the satellite looks for the coldest temperatures. Those are cold cloud tops. The taller the cloud, the colder the temperature. So you don't see any bright cloud tops out here because they're not very tall. These are still very small showers moving across the region. The upper atmosphere is just too dry for anything big to pop up. Now, I think as we go through tonight and into tomorrow, we're more likely to see some showers, especially during the daytime tomorrow. Probably the most active day of the week tomorrow will be, even into the evening hours, scattered showers around. By Friday, yes, I think there's still some rain in the area, but I think by football time, it's all gone. You notice 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, but by 7, 8, most of it's out of here. And then Saturday, a drier day, but still even spotty showers then. So our rain chances go from a peak tomorrow of 40%, then 30, then 20 by the time we get to Saturday. Here's the big picture. If you take a close look at this, you see everything's kind of going around. There's a big upper air high sitting right here. Then you look down here, you see a little spin in these clouds. That's a little upper air disturbance. It's moving in our direction. That little disturbance headed our direction is what's going to give us that increased chance of rain tomorrow. All the moisture wraps around the north side of it, and we see a pretty good shot at some rain. By Friday, that system's moving away, but we still have an onshore flow, so spotty showers are possible again. To the north, a cool front. That front doesn't get here. It dies long before it gets here, and then we watch another little tropical wave come into the Gulf of Mexico. We probably will have north winds for a time the next couple of days, courtesy of the tropical wave and courtesy of this wave, not because of the front. But by the time we get to Sunday, this front working its way across Texas, likely to get in here Monday. The question is, how far south of us does it get? If it comes in right on top of us, maybe a little south, we'll keep the clouds around. If it goes a little farther to the south, we'll break those clouds, maybe get some sun and dry the air out a little bit. That system in the Caribbean we were watching yesterday, still watching today, the chances of it developing have gone down to only 10% now. On the other side of the Atlantic, we're still watching what was Lorenzo. Now it's a post-tropical cyclone, meaning it's lost its tropical characteristics. But look at this. It still has winds of 80 miles per hour as it approaches Ireland. They're probably going to see hurricane conditions in Ireland sometime during the daytime tomorrow. This is Thursday morning. Tomorrow morning was 75-mile-per-hour winds right across Ireland down into England by the time we get to Friday morning. Still 45-mile-per-hour winds. The size of this storm is just enormous. So really the whole British Isles going to feel the impacts of this, certainly in the rain and some places in terms of the wind as well. At the coast, here's what's going on. Winds out of the east 10 to 15, a moderate chop. Minor beach flooding still at the coast near high tide with a moderate risk of rip currents. First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast tonight, a brief shower, partly cloudy, 74. Then tomorrow we're back up to 91. Scattered showers, about a 40% chance of rain tomorrow. Here we go, the next 7 days. We keep temperatures in the 90s through Monday, then late Monday into Tuesday. That, at least now, looks like when the front should come in. If it does go all the way through, we're still looking at 80s behind it, but lower humidity, slightly drier air, some sunshine by the middle of next week. That's your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.